Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I make my hummus dip. I got this recipe from Danette May. Okay, so I use 2 cans of chickpeas. I don't peel them or take the skins off them. I just use 2 cans of chickpeas. As of now, I'll just put in maybe a 1/4 cup of chickpea juice. I'll put more in if I need to later on. It asks for 3 cloves of garlic, which I already used a garlic press and press the cloves. It asks for 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Here's the olive oil. And a 1/4 cup of tahini, which I don't have tahini, and I use sesame oil. I don't put quite a 1/4 cup in, but a little less than a 1/4 cup. Yeah. If you like it thicker, you use less. And then I'm gonna squeeze lemon. And there you go. Oh, and then it asks for cayenne pepper. You can use more or less, however much you want. It's gonna be pretty spicy. So yeah, here's the recipe. If y'all can see it. So I'm gonna blend it up and show you how it looks. It's probably not as thick as I'd like it, but it's still awesome for my beet wraps, which I'll show you one of these days. So yummy. Thanks for watching. Bye. Here is my beet wrap. I've got the homemade hummus on the bottom, then the spinach leaves, raw beets, Parmesan cheese, and black olives. I love black olives. Can you tell? Thanks for watching. Sharon and Gary from Cruising Scene. Subscribe for more recipes. Yummy. So good. So good.